Yeah, good afternoon, good day for wherever you are watching. This is DJ astronomer from Ducati Promotion here in West Africa in Nigeria. Yeah, it's been a long time that I come around to talk to you. This is my first video after the demise of one of my boys. Yeah, so ever since in February 14, I've not come online to do a video just to I don't understand. Okay. Well, today we are going to talk about an important issue that relates to security, home security, commercial security, everything that has to do with security. And what are the things that we can use to secure our homes? Basically, in this part of the world of Africa, we believe that God is our security. Yes, I accept that. Yes, God secures. But the other thing is that we also have to do from our own parts to enhance what God has given us. So even all these technology skills were given to us by God. So today, I want to expose you to some of the things that we need that come from the comfort, not comfort zone, from Ducati factory in Finland, Italy. Okay, let's start with this. Multiple times in Nigeria system, in African system, we believe that we need to use human effort to operate a gate. You need to use one Baba from one part. I don't want to mention one part of Nigeria that was gate man to do that for us. But as I even before the advent of AI, things has changed. People have used technology to change things that we do in the world. And one of the things that we do that we used to change is what we call the gate motors. Some call it gate opener, some call it electric gate motor, some call it electric gate, some call it remote gate control, some call it automatic gate. It has a lot of names when it comes to automatic gate. Automation. What you're saying is that you are trying to automate your gate. You want it to respond to a kind of electronic signals that comes from a remote and prepared by the machine. That is the only one is the kind of system that the approach of the system of your gate machine and makes it to respond to what you want it to do. Whether you want it to close or open, it depends on you, it depends on the action you take at that particular time. Okay, now let's go further with this. Gate machine comes in different types. We have what we call swing gate machine. We have what we call sliding gate machine. Swing gate machine and sliding gate machine. We have what we call one-leaf gate machine. We have what we call two-leaf gate machine. We have what we call garage motor, garage opener. These are the things that are common that we see, that we use to automate our homes. Have you seen it before? Basically, yes. The first time I saw this was in 2018 when I went for a training at that was in Centurion. No, that was they call the place Centurion in South Africa, Pretoria, South Africa. That's the place I went for an home automation training. That was the first time I set my eyes on gate machine. But the first time I got trained, the first place where I got all the technical know-how was in Finland, Italy. That was with at the factory of Ducati home automation in Italy. There I was exposed to some of the things that my work can use to see that automate our living easier. Let's take for For instance, you have a agent home in a house, you have a driver and a wife, one of road that cannot open 500 kg gate. You can't put them onto that exposure to the driver. So one of the things you can do for them is to optimize the gates. So whenever they want to go out, they put a remote control, it opens and closes when it switches. That's the best platform. And that is one of the things that I want us to see that change things for us. Hope I'm getting it. Okay, let's talk about this. What are the unique features of the Ducati gate machine? Well, what is this? The Ducati gate machine can use both AC and DC, direct current and alternative current. It can use both solar and electricity. That's the first one. The second one is this. The Ducati gate machine can also what? It conforms with the EU security norms. Yeah. That means when the gate is just open fast and it opens on key. It's not a gate that opens or closes and destroys cars. It's a gate that conforms to security norms. The second thing that comes from Europe, they are standardized. Just get this. They are standardized and they conform to what it is meant or is created for. They are not created, they are not designed to kill human beings. So that means whatever you get from Europe, whatever you get from Ducati, is in line with EU security norms. What about that? You can go around and let us check. What is the measurement? This means, what is mean is this, that the speed of the Ducati gate machine does not exceed the standard it has been set by you. Although if you go to you see that most of the houses people have a gate, open space. If you have a gate, small gate, because of the security that is there, because of the fact that the people there are somehow okay. But when you look at the huge, like maybe 20 feet gate, 20 feet fence and the like, we close ourselves. That is why we found ourselves. We can't go against that. But what are the things that we need? I'll tell you. So the speed is in conformity with EU norms. So now when Ducati gate machine will spray the gate moving fast like tomorrow gate, it can't do that. The one of us, let's say for example, this is one of the research I've done. Now if you're going to use 100 kg, that's 1 ton. And we also use 100 kg, we use one gate that can optimate 1000 kg for your gate. That gate will open in relativity with the standard of the machine, the standard of the gate. Okay, let's start this, okay? But if the gate is 700 kg, like my one is something fast. The gate is 700 kg, you can make your gate, you can operate your gate with 1000 kg. It means it will be faster and operate in a way that will suit you, that will suit your need. So that take will install the Ducati gate machine in a way that will open faster and crush human being or spoil your car. So that is one of the things that I've learned with my, at least listening to the experience we get in Ducati gate machine. In all security gadgets. That's it. That's talking about the conformity. Now another thing is that it is eco-friendly. What it is eco-friendly? The use of solar makes it eco-friendly. Because we don't know any kind of generator before you power it on. All you need is your battery, your solar, you connect it, and it opens and it closes. I'm telling you this. These are the features and the other features that we can also get from this. Now let's now see how does the machine looks like. I'm talking about Ducati gate machine. How does it look like?